Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti.
And my name is Richa.
Today we are going to a short conversation. So let's start. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Richa, and what is your name?
My name is Jyoti. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Which school do you study?
I study in Government Quid Secondary School.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is English teacher.
What do you do after school?
I take rest.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sandwich.
Thank you.